What can you say about Filipinos? ¿Qué tú puedes decir todo Filipinos?
¿En inglés?
Yes. Oh.
Ay. Filipino. I love too much Filipino for love me. I become for Filipinas. Thank you for love me. I love Filipino. Thank you very much.
Galing-galing yung Johanna ya.
Te escuchamos. A Raúl. Yes, es María Bamba. María Bamba.
Ole. Yo enfermo.
Sí. Capitán.
Capitán. Tú mi jefe. Jefa. ¿Cómo estás, jefa?
Jefa. No.
¿Cómo está mi jefa?
Waka waka. Bien.
¿Cómo está, jefa?
Bien, no, jefa. Waka waka. O sexy mama. Sexy mama o waka waka.
¿Cómo está de vientre? ¿Cómo está de vientre de Waka Waka hoy?
Vacío.
Vacío.
Vacío. Ok. ¿Sabe vacío? Como barrer así, estómago, barrer todo.
¿Barrer todo?
Vacío.
¿Qué hay dentro de barriga de Waka Waka? Aparte de agua.
Aparte de agua, estómago, nada más.
¿Sal? ¿Tiene sal?
No hay sal.
¿Arroz?
No hay arroz. Ni arroz, ni sal, ni nada.
¿Cómo está de pendiente?
Dependiente, bien.
¿Cristal?
Bien.
¿Ah?
Bien sexy, mam.
¿Sexy mama?
Skinny, girl.
Ano?
Sexy mama.
¿Ski?
Skinny.
¿Skinny? ¿Qué es skinny?
Girl.
¿Qué dial?
Dios chupu.
¿Ah?
Girl, mama.
¿Qué dial, mama?
Girl.
¿Qué dial?
La beautiful. La beautiful forever.
Yo no escuchar español, solo inglés.
You know speak Spanish, speak English. Okay, me I will tell you. Please, me today I know for food chop. No, angry for chop.
Hungry. Oo.
School, baby for you sister. I want to go a school, please.
Please. Tell me what do you want? What do you want?
Yes, I will tell you. I will tell you me.
Tell me what do you want? Why you're calling? Why you're calling me?
Why you calling you? I call you. I call my friend. Very good. Yes.
And then what do you want?
I want for food chop.
I want for food chop. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
I eat. I go Marquez for cup for chop chop.
Chop chop. What? What do you want to eat? What do you want to buy in the market?
I do want to buy the arroz.
What is arroz in English? What is arroz in English? Tell me.
Rice.
Rice.
I want to buy the rice.
You want to buy rice?
Yes.
Oh.
Rice.
Aside from rice, what do you want to buy? Oh. Rice and what?
I do want to rice.
Oh, aside from rice, what do you want to buy?
I do want to buy.
I want to die. I want to buy. I want to buy. What?
I want to die. Die.
Anong die?
Enough of. Yes, I do die. Me, I die. Me, I die. I die for you.
Why? Why you want to die? Why you want to die?
Yes, no, I want to no chop, no food, no, me die.
Die.
I will die, you will die, you. I will die today. Today, not today.
You will die today. Water, you can
Today,
drink.
not today, I will die.
Today you can drink water. You can drink.
Yes, I drink water. After my breath. Big water.
No more.
Mama.
Big mama. Water.
Yes. Water, big mama.
What food you will prepare? What food you will cook? What food you will cook today?
Huh?
What food? What chop you cook today?
Today no food, no chop, no.
Why?
Today I sleep Wesley, Ilan, Bambino, Wesley, I do still me.
Sleep?
Yes.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Why?
Look me. Sleep.
What happened?
Yeah. See, sleep me. Mommy, no chop. I know. I chop finish. Sleep, mommy. Mommy, I sleep.
Slim, mommy, slim? Slim?
No, not slim. Sleep. Look, mommy.
Look, mommy.
Look me.
Look me,
Yes.
sexy.
I look mommy.
Sexy.
Sexy. That's me.
You,
Mm.
what you, who, what, what?
Loku. Adiku.
Ano ka di ko?
Adikam.
Ha, Joanna,
Adikam.
what do you like?
Mo parang English. Why me? I speak English. Small. No, too much speak English. Eh?
But you can understand.
Tell me Spanish, please.
No, English better.
Me, I crazy for English. I don't speak English for me, for peace.
Why? But you can understand English. But
Yes, I understand English, pero small, no. Too much English.
not too much English.
Mhm.
What can you say about me? What can you say about Kuya Raul? What can you say? ¿Qué tú puedes decir Kuya Raul? Yo.
In English? You very good. You, my friend, thank you very much. You for aquí. For corazon.
Corazon. What is corazon? What is corazon?
Friend.
Oh.
Friend, very good. Yes.
Okay, mas. What else?
Thank you, my friend. Thank you for big todo.
I can hablar English. Tell me. Oh, what else? What else can you say about me? ¿Qué tú puedes decir más?
I don't English finish.
English finish. No English finish.
English finish.
Hablar más. ¿Qué tú puedes decir, Kuya Raul? What can you say about me?
Que you, my friend, you are me, you are my friend.
Pusta ako sa'yo. ¿Qué más? Hasta no terminar. Hasta no terminar decir me, no pwede. Oh. Tell me about your friend, Kuya Raul. ¿Qué tú pwede decir más aquí?
Kuya Raul, my friend, you very good. Thank you. Me, are you very, very, very content?
What is content?
I speak. Is content. Happy.
Oh,
Me, I very happy.
Yes.
Happy for you. I love you. I sleep. You me very happy. Thank you.
¿Qué más?
Raúl mo ko English, may ano ko.
Pero hoy, Joanna, pero tu English está bien, ¿ah? Así bien. Sit, aprender poco poco. Your English is good.
Thank you.
Sí, poco poco. Little by little. No? Tranquilo. Oh.
Yes.
What can you say about Filipinos? ¿Qué tú puedes decir todo Filipinos?
In English?
Yes. Oh.
Ay. Well, Filipino. I love too much Filipino for love me. I become for Filipinas. Thank you for love me. I love Filipino. Thank you very much.
Galing yung Joanna ya. ¿Qué tú puedes decir? Más, no hay más. Solo thank you. Only thank you.
You, Filipina. I love me. I love Filipinos. Thank you. I love me. I become for Filipina. Me very happy. Happy birthday to you.
Lumabay ka. Happy birthday to you.